Hello, hello.
This meeting is being recorded.
So it's a sidecar SIG Node working group. This is 2023, July 18th. Welcome, everybody. Let's go through the Uber issues that we have and see what's left for sidecars. So we enabled readiness probes and such. This is done.
Yes.
And the life cycle hooks as well.
Yes.
So these two are supposed to be working now. So we have this request. It's a little independent from everything else. I'd really like to have it because it will simplify lots of scenarios. But yeah, let's see if we can make it. What else? What ready state calculation? Ready state calculation. I think ready state is fixed, right? So it's
Yes.
you added some tests. Okay. Score adjustment, we haven't done it. We can do it later. I don't think it's critical. Topology manager and CPU manager. Unfortunately, they wouldn't work as expected, so they would work a little bit differently. I think today topology manager allocates enough CPUs to handle everything. So they probably will just work. I'm just not sure how good it will work. Documentation is work in progress. Matthias is supposed to work on that, right?
Yeah, he's made some updates. It's still in progress. So.
And then lastly, blog post. Yeah, blog post, I think release team will ping everybody closer to release. Yeah, I think we're in a good shape. I really hope that this PR will make it, and then we can move this to the beta. Also, big question for beta will be termination order. I think that will be discussions that we need to have. So if you have anybody to test it out, please do so. Is there anything else, Kenju, that you want to highlight?
No, I don't. So for topology manager thing, we will not make any patch for the alpha stage. It is just okay.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You search for sidecar in issues on Kubernetes. Add serial test. What is this?
Yes. This is the review requested from the Clayton. We have to add the restart scenario of kubelet and how it works with sidecar container.
Okay. Let me see. Super issue. Yeah, I think we're okay here. Great. Yeah, let's try to merge this one. Total request count and implementation issue, and then.
And I found that the resource request from kube control describe node is not correct. Is it fixed by your PR, Toad?
I've got output. So which part was incorrect? I've got in my change, I have
kube.
I showed the output for describe pod. If you click, click my PR there, that add total resource requests. I thought I had it in the output there.
The part CPU request displayed by kube control describe. Yes. Yes. Not in here. Kube control describe node when we print.
Oh, on describe node.
Yes.
Yeah, no. So in this change, I added that total resources requested down at the bottom. So you're saying when you describe the node, it shows the incorrect amount?
Yes.
Wait.
Maybe we have to date it as well.
Possibly. I wonder where. I would have thought that it was just going to work. Because
I found it while testing the CPU manager thing. When we assign CPU to Sidecar container, I think it doesn't apply to the kube control describe node.
yeah, that's possible.
Yes. Maybe you have to confirm it. But I don't think it is critical.
Can you file the bug? Andrew, if you can file a bug, it will be great. So we can follow up on that.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you. So you've been testing CPU manager. I looked at code briefly, and I think it will just work. It will just allocate. There may be issues if it wouldn't allocate enough, but I think the worst case scenario is that CPU sidecar will not work on the same CPU set. That's my understanding of the code.
It seems like there is no big issue in CPU manager, and I'm not familiar with the topology manager thing, so I'm not sure it works fine with it. For topology manager, I think someone should inspect it work.
Okay. Let's see if we'll have time before this release. Unless we'll find a very critical issue, we can just rel note it.
Yes, and the code freeze is today, so I think we don't have enough time to fix it.
And we can always fix critical bugs later. We just need to get an exception. But I don't think there are super critical issues there.
Okay. I will take a look if I have enough time.
Okay.
And I will file the bug issue for describe node and topology manager.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So I just looked at kubectl describe. It's definitely wrong. It's using yet another helper for summing up the pod requests. I didn't know.
Another helper? Okay.
It's got its own, but yeah, it should be an easy fix. Just swap it out for the correct one. So.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, issue, check topology manager if you'll have time, and everything else, just try to test it on real life scenarios. Cool. Thank you. Thank you very much.
See you guys.
Thank you.